Hingap ko ang ng topa. So I got nobody selling for me. Sabi ko hello. Sumagot siya hi. Can I ask you, can you go? Ang sabi ko hello. Yun sabi niya come over here. I'm Julius isang pizza and I'm Julius isang beer. So after 20 minutes I was knocking at the door. Nakita ko si Anna, she was lying on the floor. Ako kanyang tinawagan, you know, alam niyo ba? Anong sabi niya sa akin? Ano, ready na?
Oh, alam mo yun. Hey!
Yeah!
Balik.